Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how to do a blunt cut bob. These are the clippers that I'll be using today. I'll link everything down in the description box below. Right here I'm just dividing the hair into 3 parts so that I can make sure that everything is even all around. Now with doing a blunt cut bob, you want to make sure that you use your comb as a guide because it is so easy to mess up. So you want to make sure that you are using your comb as a guide to know exactly where you want to trim, because once it's off, it's gone, sis. Ain't no coming back. Right here, I'm just going in, just correcting any areas that I may have missed, any little pieces that may be hanging or anything like that. Don't worry about making it perfect because nothing is perfect. You can always go in. Y'all, this is the final look. I want to thank you so much for watching, and until next time.